yourself. A merry little Christmas, love. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we'll be doing a cooking video. So far we already started. So mommy is the one cooking the vegetable and so forth. This is my mom, Cheryl. So this is the vegetable. Let me show you how it looks.
Cabbage.
There it is. She already cooked that. This is the peas for the rice and peas, and behind there I have my barbecue sauce. Well, not barbecue sauce, barbecue gravy, because I'm making barbecue chicken. So currently the chicken is in the oven. It's supposed to get 15 more minutes, and then I take it out to put the first coating of barbecue sauce on it. So the next thing that we're gonna be doing is some cornmeal pudding, and me and mommy go do that right now. Rice in this, I can't put it down because it's liquidy. In this I have the coconut milk, cinnamon, nutmeg. What else you put in there? Vanilla. You put in salt in there?
Yeah, a little salt in there.
Yeah, she put salt in there. Now she's gonna put the sugar in there. So she do her thing. Yes. So what the measurements? You know, say we just try until the ancestors them say stop. Yeah.
We use our instinct.
So now she's just mixing everything together. Let me like bring it a little bit closer so you can see.
Just the coconut, cinnamon, nutmeg and vanilla, isn't it? And I put a little pinch of salt for taste. This is the sugar. Let's see. That's we love Benjamin vanilla, but we don't have no Benjamin.
But I see vanilla, mommy.
This is different. This is not Benjamin. Benjamin Ibis.
She use Food Lion vanilla.
And I love Jamaican Benjamin vanilla, but I don't get any.
So what you try? Say me should I bring vanilla for you?
Yeah.
You never tell me you want no vanilla.
I should put some rum in it.
Rum in our cornmeal pudding?
We have raisin.
I don't need no raisin in there.
Raisin can go in there.
Yeah, but I don't want no raisin.
You don't eat raisin?
Not too lovely. You used to call me raisin food, so I don't want no more raisin.
Oh my God!
I don't want no more raisin.
You don't use your tongue, girl.
Next time we go eat the raisin, maybe see more raisin and come for my foot.
You don't use it, you know? You're crazy as hell. I'll put it in the cornmeal, you know?
I thought I was gonna be the one doing it.
No, me put in the cornmeal because you don't know the texture.
A style, you want to style me, but you can't style a styler. Go on, mommy. Go there. I just want to see look when it come out, you know. That's all I want to see.
You won't see how I look. But I'm not going to have to take it out.
You really want to let me in charge of that?
Yeah. It will take 1 hour to bake. So if you look at it and it don't look brown enough, you put it in there, make it get some more color until it look to your soup. Okay? But it will take an hour to bake.
So what are you doing now? What exactly are you doing now?
Put in the caramel in it.
So if you just mix it out until it liquidy.
No, you know, I No, you're not gonna mix it out until the liquid. You go liquid anyways, but you don't. You have to. You
Don't
have
put
to-
enough cornmeal.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, cause it gonna get hard.
So you don't put butter in there.
But I go in and time you finish on top.
Oh, that me do wrong because when me did I do it, me put the butter and everything, cornmeal, everything in a one. So that me do wrong then.
You see how liquid it? I'm one of my girlfriend and tell her how to make it, and she said, Sharon, my name is call. Girl, I best Cornmeal Pudding me ever eat. Never know say I say it. They said, girl, if you liquid it, liquid as water.
Me show you what she do.
See that in liquid as water, you can't believe. Anybody not say it now will come out properly, but you're gonna see it when it's finished. You guys are gonna see it when I'm through, okay? I don't think I'm gonna be here when it's finished. Let me see that. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Because the oven is 350 because chicken is in there and it's supposed to bake at 400 degree Fahrenheit. But I'm just thinking, I don't sure if I'm gonna be here to take it out. But Brittany will show you guys how it come out. I learned this from me about 18 years old to make Cornmeal Pudding.
And from the night time, the time, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me not tired. Me used to be for foreigners. A hotel me used to be.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean in a time no man.
You take it personal though.
Yes, we take it personal because I learn to know how to time man. Let's me not tell you how to do it. Me not tell you how to do it. You want to tell you how to do it yet?
No.
Oh, so you can't tell about fun and time. They know for time man. Like me never hear what you say. You hear what you say. Don't tell nobody no say. If they can't stay then go on. Rice and peas eh. Feed my rice and season up the rice and peas pot, you know. Look, you see it? There you go. I'm gonna grease the tin. And I use cooking oil to grease my tin. Okay? Cooking oil. I don't use butter. Because the butter, I don't think the butter do a good job. I think the oil better to use than the butter. I don't know. Everybody do them things different. But me, I love to use the oil. Yeah, this is my oil. Let me
Which brand of oil is that? Wesson? Wesson canola oil, okay. The healthy oil, I joke. I healthy oil that no?
yeah.
Heart happy oil. That's what I say?
See that? Buy one next one now, but no, it's not in this.
Olive oil if you use.
I don't have any olive oil. I use the olive oil to put on my skin. I don't use it to cook with.
So she pour in at the baking tray, you know.
You see it? I like how seaweed hotel. Let me see. Cornmeal pudding, fruit cake, plain cake, chocolate cake, all them cake. There.
Talk truth. Talk about it. Talk about it. When I don't know if you do things. Talk about it. You put it in the mommy in the right temperature, remember?
Me I put it in a still. When you finish your chicken,
if it's spoiled,
you're not gonna spoil, man. You're not gonna spoil. Go down somewhere with the door, please. Yeah.
I bet you're ready now for coat. It's still not ready. Look on the mommy, not ready.
You want cook more?
You want cook a little bit more, although spring olive water. So this is the chicken, guys. So I'm just gonna put it back to cook for a little bit more, and then I'll coat it with the barbecue sauce. Let me see how it look pretty. Look there, pretty bad, and it smells nice. Mommy, can't smell it. So guys, this is it, and this is what I'm gonna use to add the barbecue sauce to it. I would use the sauce that I made, the gravy right here, to coat it, but instead I'm gonna use some from another container in the fridge, because this already has seasoning in there, and you know, it won't take away from the taste. So hold on guys, let me get that and come back. Sauce that I'm using, Sweet Baby Ray's gourmet sauces, barbecue sauce. This is the chicken coated with the barbecue sauce, so we're gonna just put it in there for the first round. These rice and peas, you see the bubble up? I can't say how my chicken a bubble up, so cause I know my chicken this a bubble up, but people don't see it. It look nice and it smells so nice. Oh my god, oh, I can't wait for this food to be finished, people. And it's still early, it's about some minutes to 1, so we're on time. Yeah. This is my barbecue chicken. It's now finished. Yeah, it's going on itself.
It's juicy and nice. You can taste the garlic in it. And alright, come on, this one for you pudding.
You know, man.
And alright, come on,
stop. I have something to put.
People, is that the right color? This is for the next this is for the pudding. I'm sorry. You can use 5 on it.
Alright, so our rice and peas finished finally. Here it is. Perfection at its finest. So people, later on you get the taste test. Right now you're well hot. So I'm gonna make it cool down a little bit. Get a little breeze. You see still a bubble up? Yeah. Mommy did that. So wanna see little Lorian slush up on the top? That's what my grandmother call it, Lorian slush. Let me shake it little and make you see. You see that? Alright, it well set. So later on, I go taste it and make you know how it stay. It look good. It looks sexy. It look nice. I'm gonna eat it right now. But anyways, people, I'm gone. Later. So guys, this is the cornmeal pudding. So now it is all set. As you can see, the Lorian slushed up on top. I already ate a slice. No, not a slice, like some of it when it wasn't set, and it was really good. As you can see, look guys, well set and so, and it tastes really good. Tastes really good.
And the thing that I like, I'd like to see a scaled down game plan and give the Saints defense a lot of looks with different variations.
This is really good.
I've already seen that play earlier this game. You know, the little motion out to Miles Sanders, get out there quick, just pull from the center position, and good patience, let him get out in front.
So thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Bye.
We go.